Satterwaite.com. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you've been around for a while, welcome back. I'm glad to see you as always. I know it's been a while since I've actually made a soap video, a good old-fashioned, just down and dirty soap video, and that's what we are doing today. Now, we just moved to Arkansas, if you guys have been following along, and the one thing we have learned is our property has never really had a controlled burn. It's a little bit overgrown, and that means we have quite a few ticks. I mean, if we go out into the wooded area of our property and we take a lint brush over us, it just is covered in ticks. And so in order to try to prevent so many ticks from biting me, because I pull at least 1 to 2 off of me a day if I'm working outside, I have done some research and I'm going to attempt to make some soap repellent or tick repellent soap today. I will have a whole blog post linked down below with all of the essential oils that I'm using. The color kind of morphed. It didn't turn out the way I wanted it to, but I actually love the color and I can't wait to try to recreate this color in another soap I have coming up in the near future. So, without further ado, let's get soaping. Alright y'all, so today is the first official batch of soap that I am making in my new she shed, craft studio shed, office, all of that stuff combined into one, my happy space. We're just going to call it my happy space. So I've already got my oils mixed up and I am making beer soap today. If you don't know what beer soap is or don't know how to make beer soap, I have a video specifically showing you the entire process of how to make beer soap. And then I'm also going to be adding in some kaolin clay to my soap. For colorant, I am using a dark navy blue mica, which I'm super excited to try out. It looks like a gorgeous color. Then I've also got a little bit of titanium dioxide. And then for fragrance, y'all, if I can say one thing about living in Arkansas is the ticks are no joke around here. So after doing a lot of research, I have made a blend of rose geranium, citronella, cedarwood. Oh, what else is in here? Some tea tree and a little bit of orange essential oils in here in hopes to just kind of deter them from biting me. They can crawl on me, I don't care. I'm just sick of getting bit by ticks. I'm pretty sure Lyme disease is what's going to do me in. So, without further ado, let's get soaping. I'm just going to add in some of my kaolin clay. And excuse me if I don't have all of the right utensils because I'm still trying to unpack all of my soaping supplies, so I am working with limited resources right now. But I do have my handy dandy thermometer. My lye solution is just at about 95-ish degrees. And I know my oils are probably a little too cold. They're at about 73. Yeah. So I'm going to get this kaolin clay mixed in real quick and then we will get started. Alrighty. So, you're not going to stand, are you? There you go. Okay. So the plan is to have a nice dark soap and then kind of gently lighten it in layers as we go. Because I am using a custom blend of oils, I don't know how it is going to react with the soap. Hopefully everything goes well. But it's been a while since I made soap, so it's like the wild, wild west here. So I'm just going to pour my lye solution in. Get started. I'm just going to bring this to a very, very light emulsification. Okay, and then because I don't know how the don't know how the fragrance oil is going to react, I'm going to go ahead and add in my colorant. I guess, see how that turns out. Hopefully after it sits and hardens for a little while, it will get better. I don't know. I'm perplexed, because it's definitely not the color I was hoping for. Alright, so the fragrance oils I'm going to mix in by hand, because I'm going to try to limit as much mixing as possible. It does smell good though. And I'll have a link down in the description box about everything that I used in this particular batch. It's definitely looking funky. Not the color I was hoping for. Give that a pour. And a nice little tap. Little tappy tappy. And then we're going to tempt the fates, and we're going to put in some titanium dioxide, because alright, we're getting thick. So just going to, I know it's going to break the surface. All right. And then a little bit more titanium, because why not? Does smell quite lovely though, I must say. And yes, I'm going to scrape that down after I'm done. Just trying to work as quickly as possible. But I am going to take a little toothpick or popsicle stick. Yes, popsicle stick. I'm just going to make sure all of edges are filled. And then I'm going to take off my very messy glove so I can give this a quick spritz of rubbing alcohol. And then I'm going to let it sit for 24 hours and we will be back to cut it. Alright guys, so it is my favorite day of soap making, and that is cutting day. Now, it darkened up a little bit. It doesn't look green anymore, which is good. It's still a little soft, but it's because the recipe I used, I knew it was going to be soft. I wanted a soft recipe, so I had time to play. But let's get this cut it and see how it turned out. Grab it from the middle. I'm kind of digging it. I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but it's kind of like a grayish blue, and I'm kind of loving it right now. I'm gonna let it sit for a few days and see if it darkens up a little bit, and we'll bring you back. Well, for you it'll be like right now. Alright guys, so that is what I have got for you guys today. If you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. It really helps. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. What are you waiting for? We put out new videos every week, sometimes twice a week if I'm feeling spunky. And again, just bear with me as we're kind of transitioning. I'm still trying to find a lot of my soaping supplies. I got to order a lot of supplies, which are all on back order right now because of everything that's been going on with COVID. So I'm going to slowly start putting out more soap videos. It's just a matter of trying to find everything, figure out where I want to put everything in my office. If you didn't know, we built an office out of a shed. Be sure to check out that video. It'll be linked above as well as down below in the description box. But yeah, we're slowly getting there. We're slowly starting to get back into just a normal routine. So hopefully things will progress and get a little bit better along the way. But that, again, is what I have for you guys. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them down in the comments below, and I try to get to them as soon as possible. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!